Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss how to set up infinite Google Ads tracking in GTM app. So let's get started. This app is basically designed to help you track your Google Ads conversion more accurately and manage your GTM tags more easily. First of all, you have to enable this app in your theme editor. So click on activate. Then you have to click on activate extension. Turn it on and then click on save. Now close this tab and come back to the app. You can see the app is activated because the banner is removed from here. Now before setting up this app, make sure you have signed up in Google Ads account. I'm already on my Google Ads account and you can see I haven't made any conversion yet. But you can make these conversions with the help of our app. And this is my Google Tag Manager account. Make sure you must also have a Google Tag Manager account. Now let's come back to the app and click on Add Google Pixel. Here you have to sign in with your Google account. Select your Google account. Make sure you select all these scopes and then click on Continue. Now you have to attach your Google Ads account. You can see I'm linking my Google Ads account here. After that, you have to select your Google Tag Manager account. I'm selecting this one. Then you have to select your GTM container and you can either create a new container or choose from an existing one. But I will recommend you to create a new one. So I'm creating a new and then clicking on continue. Next, you have to select the pixel. You can either select the existing pixel or create a new one. Right now, I'm creating a new pixel. You can see all these conversions and these conversions are set up by default. So I'm not changing them and clicking on continue. Now you have to click on copy and then on create customer events. Here you have to create a custom pixel. So click on add custom pixel. Write your pixel name here. Click on permission and select not required from here. Then you have to remove this 7-line code and paste the code that you copied. Then click on save and then on connect. Now come back to the app and click on I have completed the preceding events and then click on finish. It will take 4 to 6 minutes and then your conversion setup will be done. So now your app is completely set up. I hope after watching this video, you will have a clear idea of how to set up this app. Don't forget to share your feedback with us regarding this app and thanks for watching this video.